change, we've decided to do a bit of a chat outside Hall 6 rather than in one of the halls. And I'm with Mr. Subba Reddy, who's Vice President Operations of Hetero. Mr. Subba Reddy, pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Rahul.
Thank you for taking the time, because we've kind of like been missing each other on the phone and stuff like that. Right?
So morning onwards we are trying, but today the nice weather.
Yes.
We met here.
Yes.
Nice to thanks to IPMA.
Yeah.
So today evening we met here, and the stalls were very nicely organized.
Yeah.
I think I have seen many exhibitions. This is the most, I think the technology, the kind of shows, the kind of infrastructure, the internally is available. It's superb.
Right.
It's really, Hyderabad is really lucky. The people are very lucky. Hyderabad.
And we're having good weather as well, so everything.
Luckily, the weather is very good,
Yes.
and it's no stickiness.
Yes.
People are really enjoying.
Yeah.
The technology, the kind of equipment is very, very nicely, systematically organized.
Yeah.
The show was fantastic.
Yeah.
So I think a second day we gathered a lot of information.
Yeah.
The company right now, we are looking for the new technology, new adoption.
Yeah.
The kind of new technology.
So before we get into that, so let's talk a little bit about Hetero. Who Hetero is as a company, the kind of products you make, and the kind of market segments you're operational in.
Hetero is kind of the complete. If you see the Hetero, the H itself, heterocycle compounds.
Right. Okay.
That's why the Hetero is H. So another H name is quality as health, the human health. In the human health point of view, the Hetero is the #1 quality. They want to give the at best, at low cost medicines to all the public availability. That is what the Hetero is the target.
Yeah.
Right now, the Hetero is operating all the pan India as well as the globally. Many of the branches is there. So the medicine has to reach to the every patient.
Yes.
That is the reason. Our sir also is entered to the health sector.
Yeah.
He is giving the good health to the employees.
Yes.
So all the family members also, recently he has inaugurated a very nice hospital. That is the reason the Hetero. So the Hetero, the growth perspective, they are in the new technology they are adopting.
Yeah.
All the segments, so none of the segments, they want to be #1. So
Okay.
that is what the Hetero is looking. Operational point of view, we are the best operational systems are adapted.
Yeah.
The productivity point of view, that is the best, the systems we have. So that is what the campus is also very large campus, Nakapalli. Whenever the people want to visit, that is the site is the beautiful site. You don't see the plants, you will see the greenery, then the below is the plants. The first you see the green.
Thank God for that.
Yes,
Thank God for that, because the first thing that you go to a plant, you just see concrete, right?
Here, you don't see the concrete. You
Yeah.
see the complete green. The
Yeah.
green below is the plants.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
plants is actually giving the real fruits of the all the medicinal drugs are required for the human health consumption. That is
Correct.
the main target.
So just to be clear, Hetero is into drug manufacturing. Yes. And is it the largest part of your market? Is it in India, or do you a substantial part of that is exported?
So it's a dual. It's a kind of domestic as well as the export also. Is the particular Nakapalli is the completely 100% export oriented. It's a SEZ unit is there. So target of the medicine should be the export as well as the domestic also we are continually supplying.
Yeah.
The majority is the focus is in export of the marketing point of view.
Okay.
I'm the operational side, so core operational man.
Yeah.
So marketing is the different, the person, the aspects. So, but actually, this is the way.
So let's then talk more about the operational aspect, which is obviously your area of interest and expertise. Because things have been changing quite a lot in terms of regulations, in terms of the drug availability, drug discovery, drug manufacturing. India is looking to scale up, not just scale up, but also add value in the formulations that they are marketing to the rest of the world.
What I will do, I will give in this area in the 3 angles.
Yeah.
The #1 is the cost.
Yes.
That is the cost that ultimately comes when the scale is increased.
Right.
The cost and scale is the very the parallel the tracks. Whereas the Hetero is running the operational excellence in the every area. That is the reason the quantity is available in the right first time and right first the quality. Right first time the quantity, right first time quality. These are the the areas the management is very clean and focused.
Right.
The quality is defective, they are throwing like anything, they are throwing out. And making the right first quality with the best class equipments, man, machine, and the materials. I should be 100% the right first quality making, and then giving the best quality medicines to all the patients.
Yes.
So that is there is everywhere operational excellence is there. The machines has to perform their own style. The persons also perform its own way. Automation, that is the one area, whereas automation also. The manufacturing sector, particularly the pharmaceutical sector, now only adopting the automation. The automation is slowly increasing, not in the full scale of the 100%. Whereas too much of automation also there is a dangerous. Something what will happen, the switch of the internet, we are zero. That is it's a balancing way the automation is happening. So one of the balancing where we are not compromising on the quality, we are not compromising on the productivity, we are not compromising on the systems and the innovations and discovering of the new technologies. Every time the trains, racks are coming, like a new technology is coming, and the commercialization products are moving. That is the parallel efficiencies are inbuilt in the system inside. The another way is the green. So that is the global warming. Now the temperatures are 2 degrees are increasing. we are feeling.
We feel it.
Yes. September. Today we are sitting in September. In September normally Vinayaka Chauthi, we never seen the rains. Now Vinayaka Chauthi festival is went the completely rain. And Dasara also is the completely rain. That is what the global is entirely changing. That is the Hetero also is investing a lot of on the global. That is the reason the statement, the starting itself, the green area we build the plan.
So eco-friendliness, sustainability, carbon neutrality, carbon zero, recycling, upcycling, water harvesting, all of that is part of what you do.
We are not drawing the groundwater. The beauty here, so we are taking from the seawater and consuming and treating and giving back to the sea. So the whatever is the recycle, the major recycle, here only the happening. That is the beauty.
That is quite amazing. But let's go back a little bit to the operational aspect, because it was quite interesting when you said get it right the first time. I guess a lot of companies try to do that. So from an operational perspective, because that's your area of expertise, it must be giving you some serious challenges in making sure, because you have to deliver that get it right the first time. So what are the challenges that you face in that process? I mean, it's a never-ending process, because everything evolves, technology evolves, formulations evolve, etc., etc., etc. So how do you deal with those challenges to make sure that you get it right the first time?
Actually, here the practicality, the challenges comes, the scale, the minimum scale, middle scale, large scale. The challenges are either if we rationalize, see from the small scale to the large scale, the challenges are the same kind of challenges only we face. What will happen? Materials are the same, quality of materials we are charging, machines are same, but here the persons are different. So the where we have to polish, the skills we have to polish. The persons who are operating, he should be thorough knowledge what he is operating. What the operational skills he has to put in the chemistry. The chemistry is the own chemistry. We cannot bypass the chemistry. We have to run the chemistry. So he has to, first of all, we have to list it out the problems that we have to solve in the laboratory level and make it the robustness. That is the robustness has to come from in the small scale itself. If you don't get the robustness small scale, we have to try till get the robustness. Then the commercial level and then tonnage level, it's a very easy. If you don't want to do the small scale level in the robustness, don't want to time waste, here we have to face. Phase 2 we have to face. Phase 3 otherwise we have to face. In the commercial level also. Challenges are common. So commercial level, exactly. The scale increases, the problems are magnified, and then you will feel, what I went wrong, batch can't came. So that is the way people will surprise, and they see the RA had done a lot of damage because of I don't know the problem. There's sometimes silly problems also. If you don't operate the machine properly and charge it everything, you don't get the right yields, you don't get the right quality. If you went poor quality also, then you lost the batch. You have to re-purify and rework. Everything is to the cost. That's why right first time and right first quality getting always is the tough. Yes, If we do the brainstorming and do the certain hard work, it's very easy. It's not tough, very tough. Yes, very easy.
So within the operational team, you're feared and admired in equal measure. Huh?
Fear we have to forget. If we have fear, then you don't get this succeed. Fear is the major problem.
Right.
That's why the psychologically. So that's why the manpower we have to train skills. That is the skills where one is the technical skills.
Right.
The other one is the motivation to the people
Yes.
to get it right in a right direction. Are their behavior what we are thinking in the same level, or they are behaving in the different way?
Right.
That's why the ownership today, the classes also a lot of. Earlier the HR is doing only the personal kind of. Now HR is they are not doing the personal. CHRO. So that is the reason the human drive force also is supporting to the operation.
Right.
The human drive force, they are developing the people, training. Requirement to the industry requirement. That is also operational requirement point of view. They are developing the skills, sending the team outside for the behavioral classes, sending the outside for the additional skills learning point of view, sending to the other factories for the machine operational point of view, handling point of view. A lot of safety and behaviorals also is there.
So here we are. We're standing outside the Pharma Pro&Pack, one of the halls. You're not here as an exhibitor, but you're here. What has actually brought you here? Why have you invested your time to come to Hyderabad or at least to the exhibition to check out what's happening? What do you hope to gain out of it?
Basically, the focused area here. If you see lot of the pharma experts, and the complete the hub is available. The technology. The latest information, and every the seller, he want to do the best.
Yes.
He will give the best presentation and demonstration here, so to show to the buyers.
Yes.
That is the reason. So he always put his discovery in the selling.
Yes.
So the buyer always come with the certain problems. He has to get the solution here and go away. That is indirectly the exhibitions are, you will get the solutions.
Yes.
You come up with the certain gap analysis from the industry. You will see the solution. End of the day with a lot of smiles. He'll go away. That is the taken home from today the hall exhibitions.
Great. So I really appreciate your time, Mr. Subba Reddy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And look forward to seeing you next time.
Yes.
I've been talking to Mr. Subba Reddy of Hetero. He's the Vice President of Operations.